Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix an Xbox that won't connect to Wi-Fi so you can get back online and start gaming again. Step 1. Restart your Xbox and router. Turn off your Xbox and unplug your router for 30 seconds. Plug the router back in, wait for the lights to stabilize, then turn on your Xbox. Step 2. Check your Wi-Fi settings. On your Xbox, go to Settings, then General, then Network Settings. Select Set up Wireless Network and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Make sure you enter the correct password. Step 3. Test the network connection. Still having trouble? In Network Settings, select Test Network Connection. This will tell you if the issue is with your Xbox, router, or internet provider. Method 2. Use a wired connection. If Wi-Fi keeps failing, try plugging in an Ethernet cable directly from your router to your Xbox for a stable connection. Important notes. Keep your Xbox close to the router for better signal strength. Make sure your internet service is active and working on other devices. Update your Xbox system software. Outdated software can cause connection issues. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more Xbox and gaming fixes.